हाँ जी दोस्तों, क्या हाल है, क्या हाल है, क्या हाल है। आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग रियली वेल। गाइस, this is a very important video for every student who has their exam in CA intermediate in May 2025, okay, and September 2025. Even if you have taken my regular lectures, the old books, new books, everyone has to watch this short video, okay, everyone. So first of all, this is relevant for only those students who have my summary notes and the question bank, the ultimate solution book, okay, which is a 200 pages book. For those who don't know, you can take that 200 pages book, which is optimum for your last day revision on the day before exam. Now, coming to this very important portion, please listen to me very carefully. This video, what is this video about? So you must be knowing that ICAI has launched new modules for May 25, September 25, and Jan 25. Okay. But that modules were launched into last 2 months. So that is why there are some minor changes, nothing material at all, but some minor changes that you need to do in your books. Okay. Sir, where will I find this PDF? In the description of this video, you will find a Telegram channel link, and that Telegram channel link, you will find this particular PDF. You need to have this PDF in your phone. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. I have divided this chapter wise. First of all, let me tell you guys, it takes a lot of effort to do this kind of comparison, because the old PDF of ICA module, and then you compare it with completely the new module to see every small and big changes that they have done, and decide whether it is relevant or not, and then you make the changes. Okay. So come to the book, and please listen to me very carefully. What is the first change that they have done? Sir, if you know, in your book, you will find in the page number 2.13, if you have any older edition somewhere nearby, you will find there were steps to incorporate Section 8 company. It is there in Section 8 company towards the end. There were steps to incorporate Section 8 company, that you will have to file following documents with the ROC. In that steps, they had added some form number. Now they have deleted all those form numbers. Sir, were the form numbers wrong? No. The form numbers were absolutely correct. They have just deleted it. They have just deleted it. So basically, you go to your notes, you will find it in page 2.2, 2.13 of your notes. Likely, if you are having edition 5 also or edition 4 also, around that page, you will find it in the same format, delete the form numbers. And same goes with conversion of Section 8 company into any other kind of company. There were many points, and in that one point was apply to regional director in form INC 18, remove that also. So basically, what they have done is reduce the importance of form numbers. I keep on telling you in the class, form numbers, case laws are not the prime focus of institute anymore. And it is very much evident from Jan 25 paper, September 24 paper, May 24 paper. It is very much evident that form numbers should not be bothering you. Okay. Coming to the next chapter, straight away to share capital and debenture. Let me repeat one thing for you again. There are no major amendments. There is only good news, there is no bad news. Okay. Now, coming to share capital and debenture, guys, please listen to me very carefully. Section 43, no important amendment. In section number 43, there was an exception. Section number 43, there was an exception that this section will not apply to a private company where MO and AOA provide so. In that bracket, I have written that provided that they have filed financial statement under 137 and annual return under 192. So what they have done is they have removed this just one line. They have removed whatever I have put in the bracket, this red mark, and I have done a strike through. They have removed it from the from the notes. We don't even read this portion, sir. 43 is not even an important section. But what does 43 says, that there are equity share capital and preference share capital. And for preference share capital, there are preference with respect to certain things. But whatever is written in 43 is not applicable to IFSC company. It is not applicable to private company also. But for private company, we used to say that provided they comply with section 137 and 92, but we have removed that condition now. Okay, a very tiny amendment in that. Next, sir, this was a wrong due correction. This is not an amendment, this is a correction. Sir, you know that section number 46, certificate of shares. Although share certificates are irrelevant in today's time. But the question is, within how many days will the company issue share certificates? For example, in case if I lost my share certificate, or my share certificate got destroyed or torn or mutilated, that sort of things. In that case, in case of listed company, in case of unlisted company, you'll get it within 3 months. But in case of listed company, you'll get it within 45 days. Sir, most of you, the regular batch students, I'm sure in your notes, you have already done this correction. It is 45 days. It is not 15 days. It is 45 days. But in the ICI module, they had written 15 days. So we had written 15 days. So you have to correct it and make it 45 days. Okay. Next point, sir. Section number 47, just again a minor correction. In the 47, when you come to page 4.5, you'll see section number 47. Below the heading, I used to write, not applicable to private company if mentioned in MOA, AOA, etc. This whole line has been removed. They have removed that exception. They are not bothering you with these exceptions, sir. But again, not a material change. If you want to do it, you can do it. But what is the next material change? That is very interesting, sir. In page number 10.15, chapter of audit and auditors, sir, in the old syllabus, they had given just brief of cost audit. They had not given the details because the details were given in the in audit in paper number 5 audit. But then what they decided to do was they decided to add everything. They decided to add all the rules and everything. But now again they decided to remove it. So from the new module, they have reduced your syllabus. In cost audit, they have removed rule 5, which was the most annoying part. You remember overall annual turnover should be this much, this much, this much, this much, everything. They have removed rule 5, rule 4, everything below that, everything below that they have removed till the end. Everything below that they have removed till the end. So basically, you understand that in your notes, if you see, let me come to my notes. Let me come to section 148. If you come to section 148, only the basics as in the initial this and this rule 3 basics, that much is only there. Rule 5 got removed, rule 4 got removed, everything got removed, everything got removed. You don't have to bother about anything else. Whatever is left, see, I'll tell you till where have they removed it. They have removed it till casual vacancy. Okay, so we will also remove it till casual vacancy. Here, casual vacancy, remove. Basic things again they have kept, sir, no big deal, nothing to do. That only goes to show that the relevance of cost audit is significantly low when it comes to law. And that was the case earlier also. But anyway, still okay, not a big deal, but they have removed. So basically, what you do from your book, rule 3 to above point 4, you delete all the points. Okay. This I'm talking about, you'll have to pause the video midway and you have to do this correction and then you have to come along with me. Okay. Then from forward this to cost auditor. From that, everything is there. Okay. In point number 6 also, they have removed the reference to CRA 4 form number. They said, don't worry about form numbers. So don't worry about form numbers. Don't worry about cost audit. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's not even difficult, sir. That's it. And if there are any further amendments, I will let you know in the RTP. There may be some amendments in the RTP. There may be some good concepts in the RTP and MTP. So whatever changes keeps on happening, I'll keep bringing those things for you. So if you are a student who has their attempt in May 25, September 25 or Jan 26, this video was relevant for you. The edition 6 that will come after this, in that edition 6, everything will be sorted. But the edition 5 that is available till date as on January, February mid also, in that you have to do this minor corrections. Okay, so do make sure that you do it. And before you end the video, let me tell you that I will be coming up with a lot of content for all of you with regards to CA Inter May 25 also. So if you are someone who have their attempt in May 25, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel Shubham Singhal so that you get a lot of videos and a lot of content, and we will keep bringing more and more videos for you. Okay, so keep going. In the comment, if you are having your attempt in May 25, just write down, sir, I will give my 200% in my exam. I will give 200% in my exam, and I'm pretty sure that with a lot of confidence and a lot of positivity, we are going to nail our May 25 attempt. Okay. I hope your preparations are going okay. Your self study is yet to begin, but I'm sure you'll do it very well. Okay. Thank you so much. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, study well, keep going. This is your CA buddy Shubham Singhal signing off. Bye bye.